Hey guys, welcome to my channel. At first, I would like to thank all my sponsors for sponsoring this video. Our first sponsor is Neil and Jonah's channel. This is a musical channel where they play different instruments and a father and son does musical challenge. Second sponsor is Alan23 blog. This channel is all about adventure and traveling. And our third sponsor is Glyzel Dhel. This channel is about a girl from Philippines where she shares her daily life, mukbang, cooking and traveling. So if you want to know more about them, please check my description box below. I have provided the link down there. I want to start my video with a short message. Quarantine is tough. There is barely any interaction with other people beside family. No ability to go out to some of our favorite places around the city, and an underlying scene of fear when we go outside and see people all cover up to take a walk around the neighborhood. Every time we watch TV, it shows news about COVID all the time, which is very different. So I thought to give you a motive to stay at home by crocheting. Learn crocheting with me and make beautiful projects to decor the house or stuff for yourself. Today we are going to learn how to make a granny square. It is really simple pattern and is a great project for the beginners. So let's go on to the video. For this tutorial, you will need a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. So to make our granny square, we will be using 3 stitches, chain, double crochet and slip stitch. We are going to start making this ring and then working the 3 sets of double crochet and going around until we have 3 rows. So to start, we are going to make a slip knot. Then insert our hook and slightly tighten it. Then we are going to start by chaining 6. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So insert your hook into the first chain. Just as the V, I might do a slip stitch. So insert, yarn over, pull through that loop. Now we have our ring. We are going to do chain 3. So yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through and do 2 double crochet into the ring. So you yarn over, insert into the hook, yarn over. So with 3 loops on your hook, we are going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. We are done with our first. I'm going to work on our second one. So you yarn over, insert into the hook, yarn over and come out with 3 loops on your hook. We are going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. So we are done with our first set of double crochet with our first chain 3 counted as 1 double crochet. Now we are going to chain 3. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So now we are going to do another set of 3 double crochet in the ring. So yarn over, insert into the ring, yarn over, come out with 3 loops on our hook. We are going to yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Another one. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. So we are done with 2. We are going to work on our third. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. What we are done, by chaining 3, we made our first corner. So we are going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Do your third set of double crochet. So yarn over, insert into the ring, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. It's our third double crochet, and we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make another corner and do another set of 3 double crochet. Again we yarn over, insert into the hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Now we are done with our 3 sets of double crochet. We are going to chain 3 and make our final corner. To do this, we are going to do slip stitch into the chain 3 at the top. So insert into the top B, yarn over, pull through that loop. So now we have done our first row of our granny square. Next we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, which serve as our 1 double crochet, and we are going to do 2 double crochet into this corner we made. Again yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Since we are going in between, we are going to chain 1. We are going to do another set of 3 double crochet into this corner. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So we have done 1, 2 and 3. So now we make our corner again. We do 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and do another set of 3 double crochet into the corner. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So we are going to do the second double crochet and our third. And since we are going in between, we are going to chain 1 and do 3 double crochet into the corner and walk our way back around. So we have done 2 double crochet. Now we have done 3 double crochet. Again, to make a corner, we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Do our set of 3 double crochet into the corner. We chain 1 since we are going in between, and do a set of 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Since we are in between, we chain 1. So now we are going to do our set of 3 double crochet into this corner. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So now we are back at the first corner. We are going to do a set of 3 double crochet, and to connect it, we are going to chain 3 to create that corner and insert into the third chain of our chain 3 right at the top. So we insert into the V, yarn over, pull through that loop connecting to our slip stitch. And so we are just going to go around with the same pattern. By in the first one we chain 3 and do 2 double crochet into the corner, chain 1 in between, and in the each hole we do 3 double crochet, chain 1, we do 3 double crochet, chain 3, do 3 double crochet and another set of 3 double crochet into each corner. So now you can pause your video and work your way back around, and I'll meet you back. Now we have done all the way back around, and we have done our 3 set of double crochet into the original corner. We are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and insert our hook into the third chain of that chain 3. So insert into the top V, then we yarn over, pull through that loop. So now we have done our granny square. We are going to chain 1 and pull the strand however long you want the tail to be. Take our scissor and cut it and pull through. Now we have done our granny square with 3 rows. So now you know how to do your granny square. There are so many different projects that you can do. For example, you can make bunch of granny square and connect them with a border like this. Or you can make a granny square and do as many as row you would like and play with different colors and patterns. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any confusion, feel free to comment down below. And if you think this video was helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss upcoming update. And now you can hit the join button to join our membership. And if you want to buy our merchandise, I have provided the link down in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Please stay home, stay safe, and stay connected. Bye. Love you all.